Well, continue on our journey. We left from the Grand Canyon and headed up to Lake Mead to stay at the Lake Mead RV Village at Echo Bay. This drive was pretty nice starting out, and as you see, nice clear weather, a few clouds on the road. We were just traveling along, having a great day, and as things can be unpredictable, the weather did change, and we got some storms that came in. The Echo Bay RV Park offers 55 RV sites with full hookup, power, water, sewer. It has free Wi-Fi. It's decent enough for YouTube. It was good enough while we were there. AT&T service was good. They also have restrooms, showers, gasoline, propane's available there. They have a camp store, place to launch your boats, recreation room. They also have laundry facilities that run open 24 hours. You notice there in the video, it looked like I was going one way, then turned around and had to go the other way. And it happens, I get lost occasionally or miss my turn, which was the case there, so I had to turn around and come back. Nothing like just seeing these magnificent storms in the desert and just bursting up from just out of nowhere almost. You'll just have this clear sky and then boom, all these clouds and thunder and wind and lightning. So as with most storms, they did finally peter out and come to an end. Here are the pictures around the park there, out across the lake. Great views of the lake. This is from our site. You can see they have concrete pads there to pull on some sites, and then some were just gravel pull on. And I got a little video here in a minute. I'll show you down there by the water, the sites that are on them, down at the end of the park. Good views though from pretty much all the sites. You can see the lake because it kind of gradually goes uphill. And the Lake Mead recreation area, it's a big, diverse and extreme area. Temperatures can be very harsh, getting up to 120 degrees in the summer and well below freezing in the high plateaus in the winter. As you see, the storm ended and we got some great rainbows, even dual and triple rainbows coming out of it. Lake Mead is impressive. It is 1.5 million acres, 110 miles long, and when the lake is full, 550 miles of shoreline around, and it is around 500 feet deep. There's also the Overton arm of Lake Mead, which attracts the largest concentration of bald eagles wintering in the park. Of course, however, we didn't see any bald eagles, but then again, we didn't make it over to Overton. Boulder Basin is the closest part of the park to the entrances from Las Vegas, Henderson, and Boulder City. So this location here in the park is probably about a mile and a half, 2 miles in, and then you come back out to head to town. And it's not too far to all the modern conveniences. We want to thank you for watching today. We really do appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. Please put your comments below. Any ideas, things you'd like to see, just comments about the videos. Much appreciated. Join us on Instagram at just.let.me.travel. And as always, please ring the bell, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so that you can be notified of new videos. We will be traveling and doing RV renovations and just whatever we can come up with, who knows. So new videos every week. And again, thank you so very much for joining us today.